Hi, here I am going to explain about how to log in into an AWS console, and that from that I am going to explain how we are going to use IAM, and from that IAM EC2 instant creation. From that first we are going to enter into AIM console by using a root user's mail ID and password. After that mail ID and password, I am going to go to the search bar and search for the IAM. The IAM stands for identifier and access management. From that IAM, I am going to create a IAM user. The IAM user where we can search from wherever in the world for a cloud development. After to the selecting IAM, to that we are selecting users in access management, and then we are going to create an user which is in the inside yellow box. We are going to press that for creating a user. From that where I am making cloud development and provide an access to the AWS management console. After that I am providing IAM user and create a customized password, and I am making the user cannot make a new spot for safety measures, and that for selecting permission I am going to provide permission policies for EC2 instant full access. After that I am going to create a user, and then I am going to copy the user's ID and select it into a new web page. After that I can got a new AWS user web page. From that I am going to select my cloud user's name, that is cloud developer. IAM creator name cloud developer. For that I am going to put my customized password which I had been assigned. We can able to easily create an EC2 instance. For that first we are entering into the AWS IAM console where it named as cloud developer. Then I am going to search in the search bar for EC2 instance where I am setting EC2. From that EC2 I am going to select the instance. In that instance I am going to create a new instance. Creating a new instance. We can customize our own instance in this EC2 where it is more specific, and we can create our own memory for this EC2, which will provide us more efficient and free trial for 30 days. First I am going to launch an instant launch an instant. For that first I am going to name the instant like something assignment. After that I am doing the console call AWS Linux servers provided by Amazon. For that then I am going to directly mention about the security purposes, which is I am making as SSH security. Then I am getting memory as 8 GB RAM. For that T3.micro saved, and keeper where it is meant for security. For RAS I make it as sample. Then creating for security group by allowing SSH traffic form. Then for storage it's 8 GB RAM. GIB means for that's for it is for 1000 MB, not 1024. Then I am going to launch the instance. For first checking it is everything is free for us, then we cannot trouble in any payment issues for that. So next I am going to launch the instance, which is for 30 days free trial on AWS Linux 2023. Then it will take some time for making creating an AWS instance. After that creating an AWS instance, we are going to see the instance details. In that instance, we are going to first have developer where the initialize stage for running, but if the status check for initializing, we can't able to create an server. For that, we are to wait till that the checking status must be 2/2 checking connected. From that, we can able to easily connect to the server. Here by refreshing, we can see the updation through it is connected or not. Here it comes as 2,2 checking. Now going to the connect button, and below there is a connection. We are going to establish the connection. So it will create a new page. It will create a new page, new web page where we are going to connect the Linux server. It will provide an Linux server space. We are going to establish our connection for the Linux server. It will take some 2 to 3 minutes. Here we have login into an Linux server. After we are going to work with tools. Here I am using IAS for checking any application is there, but there is no. So we are making a directory named directory assignment 1, in which the directory is made. Then again I am selecting ls for checking if there is any presence of directory. We are checking for assignment 1. MK is for making directory assessment 1. After that we are going to create ls where an assignment is made. For that, from that we are going to create a cd assignment 1. From that, from inside cd we are going to assignment 1 here. For that we are creating vim s file 1 into the assignment 1. And for that file s file 1 we are going to insert as an hello cloud developer. We are typing. Then we are going to save into the s file 1. Yes, s file 1, and saving with the colon wq where is exit and saved. Now we are we are using cat s file 1 for s file 1 for seeing that we have any updated into the file. Yes, there is a update. And then in assessment 1 we are going to use vim dot s file 1 text space. From that we can see there is an text file which is created in new, where that instant we are created an hello cloud developer. Then we are going to move the s file 1 file to s file 2, where by creating where by moving putting the command as move dot s file 2 dot text. There we have moved our file. For checking whether s file dot 2 text, we are checking that anything is updated. After moving our file, we have to put cat file 2 dot text. That must be cat is important for checking. Then after providing that, we have said that that were created in s file 1 in hello cloud. Now it is moved to s file 2. After that we are going to remove the s file which was created by us, created by us, and our s file 1 s file 2 s file 2 is deleted. Then we are going to create delete the s file 2. After that we are finally going to delete the directory which we had already which I already developed, that assignment 1. After finishing all these activities, we are cross checking that any other things has been there or not. From that we are knew that no such directory has been formed, and the directory which is created is deleted too. After doing all these commands, we have after doing all this command, we have to first stop the instance which have created. So move to the instance file, and in instance state we are going to select the instant status stop. From that we have know that we have stopped the instance for temporary, which will be shut down. There will be no amount is fetched from the AWS. If the terminate is being selected, the terminate means deleting the whole instance. Thank you.